Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on and how to turn off Icon Autofill function in Realme 14 Pro phone. Where to look for this option? First, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we need to scroll down to home screen and lock screen menu. And here one of these options will be Icon Autofill. So here it is with the switch here. So right now the Icon Autofill function is enabled, as you can see, and to turn it off we need to tap the same switch. It's a simple on or off switch. We don't have any other hidden options nor menus for this specific option right here. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.